Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can add an image to comments in the TikTok app. Friends, put your likes, write your comments after watching this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And let us get started with you. Please open the TikTok application on your phone. Then, in order to add an image to the comments, you will need to go to the comments section on the right side. Next, select the comment you want to reply to. Yes, you won't be able to just add an image here in the comments section. For that, you will need to reply to someone's comment. So, go to the reply section. Then on the left side of the text bar, click on this sign right here. And that will take you to the camera. Then you can either do some photo video, or you can go right here to your camera and select any video or photo that you have here. I want to select a photo. And after you select the media file, click Next. At this step, you can add some text, for example, some more effects, sound, etc. After you have made all the changes, click Next again. And here you can, as you can see, mention someone else. And after you make all the changes you want, just click Publish. And your photo or video will be added as an image in the TikTok comments. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.